Canada's #1 seat belt repair and airbag module reset company. Whether you're in Vancouver, Calgary, Montreal, Toronto, Quebec, or Ottawa, we can repair your locked or blown seatbelt and reset your SRS airbag module. We offer an affordable repair service where you remove and mail in your seatbelt or module to us. Within 24 hours, we get the job done and ship it back to you. Our service is compatible with all makes and models and has been tested through time and hundreds of thousands of customers since 2013. In addition to our SRS services, we also replace custom color seatbelt webbing and dog-chewed seatbelts. Classic cars and antiques with worn-out seatbelts can also be fully restored. Safety Restore has been service dealerships, salvage car rebuilders, body shops, and independent car owners all over Canada. Visit safetyrestore.ca today.